Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the technical analysis of 8th of September 2020. So guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it. And also if you have not joined the WhatsApp group till now, then you can find the link to the WhatsApp in the description of the video below. Okay guys, we have a very good day with the Forex trading and I'm going to start the today's analysis right from here. So let's get started with Euro USD. So Euro USD with a bearish expectation from 117981, and you can see a clear drop on Euro USD, and that went into our way. And if you have traded on Euro USD, then you must be in a very good profit. At next we have New Zealand USD. Okay, that was my signal. My signal was bearish on New Zealand USD. That is my second signal as per the signals report. So New Zealand USD with a bearish signal from 0.66799 and 0.65968 was the target price. And guys, if you look at the pattern, then you can clearly see how much New Zealand USD has dropped today. So overall, it was a very good day with trading. If you have followed my signals in a right way, then you must be in a very good profit. At next, a huge trade is caught on Great Britain Pound USD, which is my third signal of the signals report. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 131238 and 129814 is the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop here. If you look at here, then we can see a big drop here on Great Britain Pound USD. Already from many hours the market is going down, and we have predicted the downward trend right from 131238. So I congratulate my all traders who have taken the sell positions today. They must be in a very good massive profit. At next we have Great Britain Pound JPY. So Great Britain Pound JPY is the another signal from my signals report. So I have supplied the bearish signal from 139425 and 138018 was the target price. And guys, if you look at the pattern, Great Britain Pound JPY loses its momentum today, and finally it has gone down, and it has even went beyond the barriers of my target price. So guys, if you have traded this one, then I simply congratulate you, because it was a very good day for trading. At next we have USDJPY. So I have predicted the downward trend for USDJPY from 106163 and 105394 was the target price. And guys, you can see a drop already on USDJPY from the entry, and the market has gone down. At last guys, I have also posted one of this signal USD Canadian dollar in my WhatsApp group as well. That was a free signal from my side. I have supplied the bullish trend from 131246 and 132143 was the target price in my signals report. I have not given the target price in my WhatsApp group, but I have given the entry exactly that I have given as per my signals report. And you can see a very good sound upward behavior on USD Canadian dollar, and hopefully those subscribers who have caught the profits by watching this free signal from the WhatsApp group, they also must have caught a very good profit. So overall guys, it was a very good day with trading. I am using the trend dashboard indicator for my trading as well, and I am using a technique that's based on a trick. How I come to know in the morning that USD Canadian dollar is going to be bullish and whatever, like Euro USD and other pairs, it's completely based on a trick. And if you want to learn this trick, then you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Moreover guys, if you want to get the trading system that you can see in the form of red boundaries, if you want to get this trend dashboard indicator, if you want to get the expert advisor, or most importantly, if you are willing to book your one-to-one coaching session, if you want to get the key to for success in Forex, then I teach this thing in my one-to-one Skype coaching session. So if you want to become, it depends on you. If you want to, if you're open to learning, then you should come to me, and by writing to info@200forexpips.com, or you can contact me anytime on WhatsApp as well. So guys, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and share this technical analysis with everyone. Thank you for watching the video.